Grinding Hawk here. I just want to give a quick rundown on how I put a piece of metal inlay inside of a live edge slab of black walnut. First thing I did was I drew out the actual hawk, which comes straight from our logo, and I made it so that I can cut it out on the plasma table. Perfect. I love it, actually. I already see the color that this is going to turn when we coat the actual wood. So it looks so nice. Here it goes. Six. Voila, there she is. And sorry, my son's over here watching Unspeakable. But yeah, that's basically it. So nothing too complicated. You would need, in this case, the metal cut out. You could do it by hand if you wanted to, but certainly take longer, but it would probably be just as cool. So anyway, thank you very much. Hope you like it. If you like the video, please click the subscribe button, and we'll be posting more videos like this soon. Thank you.